Hello there. In today's video, I am going to show you an app which works on voice commands. So with this application, you can control your phone with voice commands, and this app is in development, so it will be improving. The app which we are going to use today is Louis Voice Control, your apps with voice commands. You can either search it in the Play Store, you will get it in the Play Store, or I will provide the link in the description box for you to install it. After installing it, you just simply first of all have to open the application.
This app may not. You've got early access. This app. 1, 2 start. Image of app or Louis. Vis. Uninstall. Open. But. Louis settings. 0% progress bar. Turn on Louis voice control. Select OK to go. Click OK button. Double tap to activate.
So we have to enable, first of all, we have to enable Louis voice from the accessibility. So we will click on the OK button.
Accessibility setting pop up. Accessibility. About
So now in your phone it might come as more downloaded services or installed services. You have to go there and enable Louis voice.
Installed. Louis voice control off. One of Louis. Allow. View. Allow. Check your language settings. Your set. Cancel. Turn on button.
So now in your device, this might not come if your language is matching with the language of your TTS. But in my device, it is coming. So I will click on continue. But you will straight away move to the next step. And if this thing comes in your device, you just have to click on continue.
Louis voice control. Louis voice control ticked on switch. Allow Louis voice control to access this device's location. Allow Louis voice while using the app. Only this time. Deny button. Double tap to activate.
If you want, you can give access to your location, device's location. I will deny. If you want, you can allow.
Allow Louis voice control to record audio while using the app button.
I'll
Double
allow.
tap to act. Allow Louis voice control to access your contacts. Allow button.
I'll allow.
Allow Louis voice control to make and manage phone calls. Allow. Louis voice control. Welcome to Louis.
Welcome to Louis.
Isn't it amazing that we can control popular apps inside out just with voice commands? Louis supports Gmail, Play Store, Messenger, YouTube, Google Search, Uber, WhatsApp, contacts, text messages, call logs and phone calling. Offline mode available for contacts, text messages, SMS, and phone calling. Many more apps coming soon. Log in with Google button. Double tap to talkback menu. Text to speech set. Talkback. Voice commands. Hide screen. Louis voice control. Log in.
So
Louis
now,
supports Gmail. Many more apps. Log in. Many more.
we have to log in with Google.
Google Play Services. Welcome back to Louis Voice Control. You're signed in with Google as Tabas. Type your name in the box for Louis to call you by your name.
So now here we have to type a name which we want. We have to first of all sign in with our account, but I have already done it with another device. So I don't need to do it again. You just have to choose the account with which you have to sign in, and that's just it. And now here there is an edit box where you have to write a name by which you would like that Louis should address you. So you can write any nickname or any name. So I will write Tabs.
Type your name in the box for Louis to write your name. Edit box. English US. Showing Samsung keyboard. Samsung. Font. 4. Capital T. Capital A. K. N. B. S. Louis voice control. Clear edit box. You can always change or edit this later by going to Louis settings, then voice control settings.
So it is giving us the instructions.
Next button.
We'll go to next.
Double tap to activate. Talkback menu. Show screen. Editing tabs. Edit box. Clear edit. You can always. Next. Keyboard hidden. How does Louis work? Here's a simple 50 seconds audio.
Hi, welcome to Louis. To use Louis, you just need to give voice commands. Now let's figure out how to use Louis. Just give a quick double shake to your phone and Louis turns on.
Hey Joe, which app would you like to use, Uber or YouTube?
Did you notice that? That beep sound? That is your hint or clue to give your voice command. And before the beep sound, Louis gave options that you could select. So in this case, it was Uber or YouTube. Now all that you need to do is wait for the beep sound and give your voice command. That is, just say the option that you want to select. Just listen to me doing it.
Hi Joe, which app would you like to use, Uber or YouTube?
Uber.
Opening Uber. Uber is loading.
So that's it. We had the tutorial of this application comes in the setup of this application. So we have to listen to the entire tutorial in order to continue. We cannot continue without listening to the tutorial. So we have heard the tutorial.
Hear again button.
We can hear again.
Next button.
We can click on
Double
next.
tap
Click
to
next.
activate. Louis needs to get familiar with your voice. Now Louis will ask you a simple question and you just need to answer yes or no. Tap on Start Now button below to get started.
Okay.
Start now.
Hello Tabs, would you like to watch a short video on how to use Louis? Yes or no?
No.
Well done, you have got it right.
Please do not touch the phone screen during the voice session. Louis needs only voice commands to operate. Focus on giving your voice commands after the beep sound. Do not touch the phone screen during a voice session as this will interfere with Louis' working. Next button. Try out Louis' magic gesture. Louis has only one gesture. Yes, you heard it right. A two-finger touch with a slight drag is the only gesture required to interrupt Louis and give voice commands faster. This is called the magic gesture of Louis and can be used to pause a YouTube video. Select a contact or chat. Let's try this gesture here to proceed to the next screen.
So we have to drag across our screen with two fingers. Okay, we have to keep our finger at one corner and then drag it from the top to the bottom. Okay, in a slightly slanting line. Okay, that is the gesture which we can perform to interrupt Louis.
Try out Louis' magic gesture.
Now to go to the next screen, I have to perform this gesture.
Louis has only one. A two-finger touch with a slight drag is the only gesture. How to start Louis? Double shake of the phone is the easiest way to start Louis. Other ways to start Louis. Tap on Start Louis Voice Session button displayed on notification panel. Tap on Louis Voice icon in your apps list. Tap on Start a Voice Session button on Louis settings screen. Go to next screen by using two-finger touch with a slight drag.
So these are the ways we can start Louis. Again, we have to use the Louis gesture to go to the next screen. So I will use two fingers with a slight drag.
Successfully performed the magic gesture. How to stop Louis? Turning the screen off with the power button is the easiest way to stop Louis. Or go to next screen by using two-finger touch with a slight drag.
Okay, now we'll go to the next screen and check out the next step.
Louis text-to-speech settings. Set Louis voice to your liking. Louis can speak fast as well as slow for you. 3 full stop. Talk slower button. Talk faster. Hear Louis speak button.
So we'll
Double
hear.
tap.
Hi Tabs, I am Louis.
Change voice currently selected.
We can
Speech
see.
services by Google. Double tap. Next button.
I'll click on
Double
next.
tap. Setup successful. OK button.
Setup
Double
successful.
tap to activate.
Hi tabs.
Louis
Good
voice
afternoon.
control
Louis
setting.
works on voice commands, hence no gestures on screen are needed. You can use Gmail, Play Store, Messenger, YouTube, Google Search, Uber, WhatsApp, contacts, calls, or messages. Which of these apps would you like to open? Or watch a video on how to use Louis?
Silent Louis.
Shutting down.
Louis settings. 0% progress.
So that is how you can make use of, that is how we can set up Louis. Now let's see how to use Louis screen reader. So now what we have to do is we can either tap on the icon of start a voice session which comes in the settings icon, or we can also click on the Louis voice that comes in our apps list. So we will click on the Louis voice and perform a practical and show you. I'll show you.
Navigation bar. One UI. Google Play Store. Navigate. Home screen. Page 1 of. App screen. Page 1 of 1. One UI. Vita. Louis settings. Louis voice. One notification. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Actions available. Use tap with 3 fingers to view.
So we'll click on Louis voice and I will show you how to use YouTube. Okay, and if you want to use more apps, as you go on using Louis, you will automatically understand how to use this. But if you still don't understand, you can you can put it in the comment section. I'll try and explain you about all the other apps as well. So I will click on Louis voice and my voice session will automatically begin.
Hey tabs.
Louis
works
voice.
on voice commands, hence no gestures on screen are needed. You can use Gmail, Play Store, Messenger, YouTube, Google Search, Uber, WhatsApp, contacts, calls, or messages. Which of these apps would you like to open? Or watch a video on how to use Louis?
YouTube.
Please tell me the name of the video you want to search for.
Guidance for the blind.
Sure, YouTube is opening.
YouTube.
Reading search results for Guidance for the Blind. Guidance for the Blind. Would you like to open this channel? Yes, no, or search?
Yes.
Opening channel.
So the channel has opened.
How to hide from others that whether you have read their message or not on WhatsApp for Blind uses 3 minutes, 7 seconds. Guidance for the Blind, 26 views 2 days ago. Would you like to play this video? Yes, no, or search?
Yes.
Okay, playing.
Touch the screen with 2 fingers to pause the video and give your commands.
Message on WhatsApp, so that person will not come to know that whether you
YouTube.
have read the person's message or not. Okay. Now even if you have read it, it will show delivered, and even if you have
Paused. Please speak one of these commands. Play, next, forward, rewind, replay, comment, go to channel, or more options.
Silent Louis.
Shutting down.
Louis settings. 0% progress bar. Louis voice. Contact.
So that is a basic overview of how you can use Louis voice control. So it is a very nice application. If you want, I can show you by using other applications as well. You can comment down below. So this was it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.